A very good morning to all the participants who are joining us. We are just waiting for a few more participants to join and we'll be beginning soon. A very good morning to all. Welcome to today's webinar, Social Etiquettes, Part 2 of the Personal Grooming and Image Building series. Thank you all for joining us today. I'm really glad that we're receiving an overwhelming response for all the series that we have started, and students have been attending in thousands of numbers. Mission Skills is an initiative by the prestigious BK Birla Autonomous College and Nest Academy. We started this initiative for the aspiring young minds to build on their next generation skills. Through this initiative, the online webinars are available for all the youth across the country from different colleges and different parts of the country. I would really like to thank BK Birla College for giving us this opportunity, Director Naresh Chandra Sir for giving us this extremely nice opportunity, our Principal Dr. Avinash Patil for giving us a lot of support on encouraging us on this entire initiative, and Dr. Harish Dubey for always being there in organizing such initiatives. I would now,
Sir,
yeah, I would request Harish sir to speak a few words. Hello, Harish sir.
yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, on behalf of BK Birla College, I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Mahesh Malik for sparing his valuable time to deliver a lecture on social etiquettes for our students and students all over India. We are associated with NCC also, and the social etiquette topic is very much there also. And I feel it is necessary for each and every one of the student fraternity. So I feel today's session is going to be very enriching and useful to all the students. And my best wishes. And I think we will at the end. I will try to get Dr.
Thank you for your words, kind words, sir.
Thank you,
And
Harish sir. Thank you, Sneha ma'am.
so we have, everybody, I'm sure everybody is wondering why are we going to talk about social etiquettes during the time of social distancing? So it is all the more important right now because we never know what kind of situations we are in. It's always best to learn while, we are locked down at our homes and improve on our skill sets. All of us have, in this situation, have mastered technology. We have been using a lot of Zoom and Facebook and YouTube lives like never before, always on the computers, laptops and phones. We've almost forgotten how it is like to meet people during social gatherings. And during these times, it's almost, more important to follow certain etiquettes when we are meeting people out there, when we are greeting each other. So party invites, handshakes, moving around, entering social gatherings. How is this going to be like, after the pandemic gets over, after the lockdown opens up? What is this etiquette as social distancing, rules ease up? And not just right now as we are in a lockdown, but taking a positive approach that things would be normal soon. it's very important for all of us to polish our skill sets and upgrade our skill sets and follow these social etiquettes, because whether that's during the college years or in a professional setting, in during college times there are a lot of annual gatherings, student gatherings, within the classroom, with teachers, with families, social etiquettes to be practiced everywhere. So today we have amongst us Mr. Mahesh Malik. Mahesh Malik is a passionate human resource learning and development specialist. He has been training people for over the years across different industries and businesses for soft skills, social etiquettes, career building webinars, selling and negotiation skills, public speaking skills, and a lot more. He's a great influencer and storyteller. His years of research and expertise and experience have been benefiting the students for the path of self growth. He has challenged and changed students' lives by bridging the gap between skill and will, and he definitely encourages them to take the action now. Without much further ado, I would like Mr. Mahesh to take over. Over to you, sir.
Namaskar. Good morning, friend. Thank you so much, Sneha, for such a wonderful introductions. I would like to repeat this just a small 30 seconds of introduction. Hi, friend. My name is Mahesh Malik, mentoring mastery, India's first leaderpreneurship. I'm a self-transformation strategist, career breakthrough strategist. I have spent 16 years in the industries. I was spending with exhibitions, event, BFSI, banking, insurance, hospitality, call center, and many places. And also have been specialized into recruitment, soft skills, training, learning and development by giving training on communication skills, leadership skills, management skills, public speaking, counseling, self-image development, and etc. And of course, Sneha ma'am said it rightly, I also encourage people to take action now by bridging gap between skill and willpower, because that's how it makes a difference. So yes, moving into one of the most important topic to discuss, and how it is going to put an impact in everybody's life, especially when you are studying right now in this college, once you're moving out into the corporate, once you're moving out of the place, once this lockdown gets over, how this social etiquette, how this social distance, how is this your social behavior is going to put an impact in your career, in your friend's career, in your family's career, plus in the corporate's career as well. And this is something which we're going to discuss, and this is called social etiquette. Because if you believe or you're not, because your etiquette is something which is going to start from the base. If you're not going to make your base strong, it is going to be very difficult for you to survive in your own personal life, and plus entering into the corporate as well. Because as we all know, we are really going through with this condition right now, which is called COVID-19. This is really going to help you going further. So before we discuss about social etiquette, let's discuss this etiquette. So we all know that it's pretty simple. This etiquette word, itself is, it shows that it tells you about good behavior,
Uh,
which helps you, like, it's a difference between human beings from animals.
Mahesh sir, sorry to interrupt, but we are not able to view the slides. Could you just check on the screen sharing once?
Just a moment. You want me to go to the first slide?
The etiquette slide that you were mentioning, I think you need to just check the screen sharing once. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Yeah.
Yep. So yes, friend, I was discussing about etiquette. How etiquette, अगर हम बोलना चाहे तो ये अपना एक आदत है, और इसी के बेस के ऊपर लोग हमें जज करते हैं. एक छोटी सी चीज है, पर इतना बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करता है एक ये एटिकेट. हमारे अपब्रिंगिंग पे क्वेश्चंस आता है. अगर कोई एटिकेट की बात करे तो आपका बिहेवियर, why, just because of our small behavior people try to differentiate. अरे ये इसकी आदत कैसी है, ये जानवर जैसा बिहेव करता है. आपने कितनी बार सुना होगा, कितनी बार देखा होगा, कभी दोस्तों में, कभी फैमिली में, इनफैक्ट कॉर्पोरेट में भी देखा हो. ये भी हमने देखा है कितनी बार. तो यही एटिकेट जो आपके खुद के पर्सनल लाइफ में एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, इनफैक्ट आपके फ्रेंड्स के सर्कल में भी कितना बड़ा डिफरेंट रोल प्ले करता है ये एटिकेट. यही चीजों पे हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ इसके बाद, एटिकेट के बाद सबसे बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आता है हाउ सोशली वी गोइंग टू बिहेव ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट, एंड दिस इज गोना बी अ लाइफ चेंजर फॉर यू. नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड सोशल एटिकेट. जैसे हमें अगर पता चलता है कि ये हमारी बिहेवियर है, यही हमारा स्टाइल है, अगर यही हमारा पैटर्न है, तो इसको हम लाइफ कैसे लाए, इसको हम सोसाइटी में, हम लोगों के सामने, हम अपने कॉर्पोरेट्स में, हमने अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में हम उसे कैसे प्रैक्टिकली हम उसको सामने प्रेजेंट किया जाए. And that's how is social etiquette is going to play a very, very important role in anybody's life. It's your life, it's my life, it's, wherever we are, people are there to judge. So remember, one is etiquette, another one is a social etiquette. One etiquette, one you learn from your family itself. Then when you move on, when you step out, then people discuss about the social etiquettes, how you going to behave in the market, how you going to behave in the field, how you going to behave in your friend circle, and people will start judging, and people will start questioning you in your families, how and what you have learned from your family, like how your parents whether have taught you or taught you or not. And this is something it's going to touch, and it is definitely going to make a very, very huge difference and impactful difference in your life personally and professionally. Now one thing I want to ask you now, just the one simple thing I want to ask you before we discuss about social etiquette completely, just the one thing we want to know that, do you think, क्या आपको लगता है कि सोशल एटिकेट्स आपके लाइफ में कितना मैटर्स कर सकता है? This is the various types of social types of etiquettes what we have mentioned. There are total 10 types: social manners, eating etiquettes, telephone etiquette, corporate etiquette, business etiquettes, social media, wedding, bathroom etiquette, meeting etiquette, social relationship. These are the types of etiquette which are available in the market. These are the types of etiquette which we all have to go through in our daily life, चाहे वो personally हो या professionally हो. Now, out of these 10, this 6 what we are going to discuss today, which is such an important aspect, what we're going to discuss in today's time. And wherever, from today's time, from now onwards, wherever you go, wherever you are, wherever you facing your friends, because at this point of time, because social distancing, what we are maintaining, and I'm sure आप कहीं पे भी होंगे, कहीं पे भी जाएंगे, किससे भी बात करेंगे, आपको पहले ही एक सिग्नल आपको मिल जाएगा कि हाउ आई हैव टू बिहेव, हाउ आई हैव टू टॉक, हाउ आई हैव टू एक्ट सोशली. चाहे वो अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ हो, चाहे आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ हो, चाहे आप अपने कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर्स के साथ हो, चाहे वो किसी भी इंसान के साथ हो, पहले ही the moment you start speaking, the moment you start acting, you will come to know, oh, this is how I have to do it, this is how I have to speak, or else I will be judging, because people are there to find out mistake, people are there to find out your own error, mistakes, क्या problem है, क्या issues है, क्या सीखा है, क्या नहीं सीखा है. So one thing I just want to move on before we start discussing about the first point, social manners, ये सबसे ही बेहतरीन और सबसे ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, अपने अपब्रिंगिंग पे आता है, आप कैसे बिहेव और कैसे मैनर्स करते हो। उसके ही पहले हम आपसे जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या आपको लगता है सोशल एटिकेट्स आपके लाइफ में डिफरेंस ला सकता है, चाहे वो पर्सनली हो या प्रोफेशनली हो, इसमें आपका हमें सपोर्ट लगेगा। एंड दिस इज व्हाट इट इज। Do you think social etiquette plays an important role in your daily life and it helps equally in business and corporate life as well?
So I would request all the participants, there will be a box that will be popping up on your screens. That would be a poll question. The same question that you see on the slide right now. If you agree, answer yes. If you disagree, answer no. So yes, I would request everybody to just answer that quickly. Great.
Excellent.
All excellent.
Thank
So
you.
yes, we have 99% who agree on that.
Wonderful.
And
Thank you so
wonderful.
much. Thank you so much, to be a part of such an amazing topic, which is going to play a very important role. So here we go. Without wasting much of time, let's jump to the social manner. Now, you can see easily how, and we all, like you, like I, like we all are behaving on a regular basis, चाहे वो आपका personal life हो, चाहे वो आपका official life हो, चाहे आपके family basis में हो, how we start, हमने कितनी बार देखा होगा, most of the time, हम कहीं पे भी जाते हैं, चाहे we enter into class, चाहे we enter into the office, चाहे वो हम घर पे जाते हैं, हम ऐसे ही घुस जाते हैं। So there is no etiquette, there is no manners. Automatically, चाहे हम लोग किसी के invitations में हम किसी के पास चले जाते हैं, वहाँ greetings नहीं होता है। अरे उनके family वाले ने सिखाया नहीं, ला उनके माता पिता ने कुछ सिखाया नहीं, कुछ बोला नहीं। अगर corporate में हो गया, अरे इसको तो greetings करने भी नहीं आता, he doesn't even know how to greet the people. The greeting is such an important aspect. Wherever you are, wherever you go, right now is such an important aspect. It's such a, two words, good morning. It's such an important aspect. People still tend to forget this. क्यों पता नहीं? How are you, sir? How is your day? You have a great day. People forget. Please ask. It's just the important thing, and people forget. And this is definitely after this social distance is going to be make a huge impact, because what happened now post this COVID-19, you can imagine where you would not be handshaking with everybody, you just have to speak from your mouth, you would not be able to hug anyone, like it's going to be over, you just have to be speak, चाहे वो आप अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में जाओ, हाय हाउ आर यू, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, बिकॉज पीपल आर देयर, पीपल आर स्टार्ट जजिंग यू, दैट्स एन इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट फॉर एवरीवन. So I would request, greeting is such an important aspect, because if you start greeting people, you will see how people will reply you back. Okay, if you want to ask question, ask it, excuse it, people will pardon it, people will reply you back. आप पूछ के तो देखो, हम अपने ही जजमेंट हम खुद लगा लेते हैं और हम चले जाते हैं, और इसी की वजह से हम अपना ही रिस्पेक्ट हो जाते हैं, बिकॉज वी डोंट रिस्पेक्ट आवरसेल्फ. अगर हम अपनी ही इज्जत नहीं करेंगे, हम अपने अपने एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि हम रिस्पेक्ट हमें ऐसा मिले, बट आर यू रेडी टू गिव द सेम रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर्स? अगर आपने ही उसको पूछा नहीं, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग, हाय हाउ आर यू, यू हैव अ गुड डे, प्लीज आस्क क्वेश्चंस, यही आपसे नहीं हुआ, आपको लगता है वो आपको रिप्लाई करेगा? नहीं करेगा, 110% नहीं करेगा. लोग तो बैठे ही है ना आपको जजमेंट करने के लिए, लोग तो बैठे ही ना आपका मिस्टेक फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. 100 में से 2 ऐसे मिलेंगे, आपको बोलेंगे दोस्त ऐसा कर, why don't you do this way? People will surround with you, people will become a friend with you, people will try to come or surround with you, people try to help you out. So the moment to start self respecting yourself, trust me, automatically आपको रिस्पेक्ट मिलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, because that's a step. Give respect, take respect. ये पॉलिसी है डियर, everybody following the same process, चाहे वो छोटे लेवल पे हो या वो बड़े लेवल पे हो, होना ही होना है. Start with the greeting, start with the introductions, and you see the kind of response, the kind of respect you will get it from the others. And सबसे important manners होता है. हम तो लग गए हैं जजमेंट के पीछे, गलतियां पकड़ने के लिए, पर हमें अगर आपके अपने रिलेशंस को आगे बढ़ाना है, अगर आपके आपके इंट्रोडक्शंस को आगे बढ़ाना है, तो आपको एक्सेप्टेंस करना ही पड़ेगा. ना मैं 100% हूं, ना आप 100% हो, ना कोई और 100% है, बिकॉज देर इज ऑलवेज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. 110% देर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम टू लर्न समथिंग. जो भी जैसा भी है, एक्सेप्ट इट. अगर आप चेंज कर सकते हो तो करो, नहीं है तो उसको एक्सेप्ट करो, क्योंकि 80% जिसमें आपका कोई कंट्रोल ही नहीं होता, एक्सेप्ट इट. ध्यान वहां लगाओ जहां पे आप चेंज कर सकते हो. 20% डू इट. पीपल बी स्टिल अराउंड इट. इफ यू ट्राई टू चेंज समथिंग अराउंड, आप अपने ही दोस्त में, अपने ही फैमिली में, अपने कोलीग में आप चेंज करने की कोशिश करोगे, नहीं करेगा. एक्सेप्ट इट. उसकी ही चीजों को, उसकी इज्जत करो, उसकी रिस्पेक्ट करो. ऑटोमेटिकली आपके साथ धीरे धीरे वो चेंज होता रहेगा. एंड जो जैसा भी है ना दोस्त, जैसा भी है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट इट. Compliment it, because there is a way to put it across. We are not here to pass a comment. We are not here to pass a judgment. Compliment. छोटी सी चीज भी अगर उसके अंदर इंप्रूवमेंट आई ना दोस्त, do it. Go ahead. Compliment it. चाहे वो फैमिली मेंबर्स में हो, चाहे वो भाइयों बहनों में हो, चाहे वो दोस्तों में हो, चाहे वो कॉलेज के कोलीग्स में हो, चाहे वो आने वाले आपके ही लाइफ में, कॉर्पोरेट में अगर आप गए, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट इट. ट्रस्ट मी, people will come and join your group. People will come and be with you. Now today's era is all about networking. Today is all about the relationship which is going to be discussed. If you don't compliment, trust me, no one will give you a compliment back. No one. No one will come back and respect you. हमें समझने की क्षमता ही चली गई. Let's back to like empathy. फोन में बिजी हैं, रिप्लाई आया, हम तो बिजी है सिर्फ रिप्लाई देने के लिए. अरे समझो तो सही उसके साथ क्या बीत रहा है. दैट्स कॉल्ड एम्पैथी. किसी को सिंपैथी दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं. अगर आपने एम्पैथी दिखाया ना, इनडायरेक्टली वो सिंपैथी ही हो गई. उसके सिचुएशंस को समझो, वो हमारे साथ भी हो सकता है, और उस सिचुएशन को समझ के ही हमने एक्ट किया ना, ट्रस्ट मी, किसी को आज के टाइम में लोग अपने ही को लोग दूर रख रहे हैं सोशल डिस्टेंस में. Are we really empathizing? We are not. जो आ रहा है हमें दुश्मन जैसा बिहेव कर रहे हैं. Hey, do this, do that. Every single call you are getting it. Whenever you make a call, you know the government has some set ringtones, some caller tunes for 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Are we really doing it? That's called empathy. समझो. It's a real time. And यही पांचों को मिक्स करके जो हमारे पास आता है वो एटीट्यूड. डू यू रियली हैव एन एटीट्यूड? Attitude is something is really going to make a difference in your life. It made a difference in my life. If you really have provided, वो आपका attitude सही है, positive way से. If you really have a positive attitude towards your life, trust me, no one will stop you to grow in your life. No one will stop you to give respect. Everybody will come and compliment you and accept you. Everybody. Automatically people will start giving you respect. And people will understand you. Definitely, because you started working on your manners thing. It's such an important social etiquette. और ये खाली आपको ये देखो, ये खाली आपके कॉलेज लाइफ में खाली हेल्प नहीं करता, ये आपके फैमिली लाइफ में हेल्प करता है, या आपके फ्रेंड्स लाइफ में हेल्प करता है. आप किसी स्ट्रेंजर्स को मिलते हो उसमें भी हेल्प करता है आपको. Go to corp, then you started your journey in corporates, because whatever you started since the beginning, now new era, new life will start in corporates, because you soon going to join in corporates. And if you do not act and if you do not work on this thing, it is going to be very difficult. और ये सारी चीजें, ये पांचों चीजें ना आपकी छठे चीजों पे, एटीट्यूड पे शो करेगा, और लोग will automatically start judgment. I hope you will definitely and work on this thing. I'm sure you will somewhere or the other up, पर हम कहीं ना कहीं मास्टर हैं, कहीं ना कहीं हमें कहीं ना कहीं कुछ कुछ सीखने की जरूरत होगी और हम उसमें आप सीखेंगे. It's a great time. So let's move on to, I hope you understand this. So let's move on to the next topic called eating etiquette. Okay, now again, we have learned all those manners. Now come to the table. Now eating, हमने कितनी बार, now we have stopped now going to, like, for outing, dining out, or to move out. People will invite you to come to our place to eat. Now this is again is a great opportunity to learn something about, because ये आपकी eating habits, आपका जो eat pattern है, उस बेस के ऊपर भी लोग आपको जज करते हैं. हमें जज किया है, हमें जज करते हैं. How you sit in the table, do you allow your senior people to sit first? Do we allow this, or do we go enter into sit directly straight away? So what we can do, allow our seniors, allow our juniors, or allow our अपने छोटे भाइयों, चाहे अपने बुजुर्ग हो, उन्हें अलाउ करिए टेबल पे बैठने के लिए. सब एक साथ बैठिए, सब एक चीजें रखी है या नहीं रखी उसमें हेल्प करिए. यही चीजें आपको कॉर्पोरेट में मेजरली हेल्प करता है. When you go for the dining out, now the social distance is such an important aspect. How you going to behave when you've been, I'm sure people are dying to go out for to eat something out. How you going to behave at that point of time? How you going to maintain a distance at that point of time? How you going to make the people understand that, okay, okay, let's maintain a distance and eat something out? Are you carrying a proper hand sanitizers? Are you maintaining proper social distance? Are you're not shaking hands with the people? And this is something is going to play a very important role as well. When you now, once you have a proper table manners, now you, when you jump to the dining out, when you go out for the dining out, this is really going to play a very important. How many people, how many friends are coming out for the dining out? When you sit for the dining out, do you we should know exactly when to start to eat food. Before, who is going to start eat food? Who has invited you? अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि आप अपने घर पे बुला रहे हो, अगर आप अपने घर पे बुलाते हो तो उनसे पहले पूछना कोई गलत नहीं है कि आप उसके साथ और कितने लोग आ रहे हैं. तो उसके वजह से आपका प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रांग होता है. अगर इसके अलावा अगर ये वाइस एंड वर्सा हो कि आप किसी और किधर जा रहे हो, वो भी आपसे पूछ सकता है या आप उनको बता दो. इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. चाहे आप शादी में हो, चाहे आप आपके फ्रेंड्स के पार्टी में जा रहे हो, चाहे आप आपके कॉर्पोरेट में भी जा रहे हो. It's important to know people, how many friends are coming, how many members are coming. Because चाहे वो अगर मान लेते कि बिफोर इनवाइटेड और ये डाइनिंग आउट में आप किसी को इनवाइट किए हो, you have invited anybody and these people have not informed you, you have prepared your food, but you don't know exactly how many members are going to come, and वो लेके आ जाते extra, it's going to be very difficult. It's us. So that we should not face those difficult time during on the table. It's such an important aspect. How many times we like, if being a family members, we don't take or carry a gift, and it's exchange. It's all about exchange. You get gift, you will definitely get back the gift again. It's a procedure, it's a process. छोटी सी चीजें बहुत डिफरेंट करता है ये हर किसी के लाइफ में, मेरे लाइफ में, आपके लाइफ में, हर किसी के लाइफ में. Get the gift, buy a gift, buy a baby or bouquet. हाँ, पर ये बात अगर गर्लफ्रेंड पे आ गई तो भूलना ही नहीं है. शायद आप भी मेरे इस बात से सहमत होंगे. I'm sure you must be agree with this. So why don't we do it with the family members? Why don't we do it with the friends? Why don't we do it with these corporates? We can do it. We can, you can, everybody can do it. Why we are specialized to only girlfriend boyfriend? We can do it for anybody else as well, because now is the era of networking. Now the things are coming after this COVID-19. We know what we steps we have to take care of: wearing masks, wearing hand gloves, carrying sanitizers, whatever. Because the things what you give, make sure that opposite person is not get infected with that particular things. You can ask them, because it's all about maturity. And then you sit on the table, make sure food and eat, have proper food for everybody. Before you starting, make sure before you start eating, see who has invited. So once that person start eating, then you can touch your food. You can start taking your bite. You can see on the left hand side, on the right hand side, on the top, we make lot of times, अभी भी अगर भी हम घर पे बैठे हैं, हम मल्टीटास्कर बन जाते हैं। पता नहीं खाने खाने के वक्त ही हमारे हाथ में मोबाइल क्यों आता है, खाना खाने के वक्त ही हमारे सामने टीवी क्यों ऑन होता है? बिकॉज दिस इज द ग्रेट टाइम फॉर यू, फॉर मी, फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू स्पेंड टाइम विथ योर फैमिली. इफ यू आर इन अ कॉर्पोरेट, स्पेंड टाइम फ्रॉम योर कोलीग्स. That time you do not need to discuss your work. It's an important aspect. Discuss about yourself. It's a great time. You do not talk over the phone. You do not browse over the phone. You do not discuss about anything apart from the family work. Why are you watching TV? Don't make noise on the table when you sit. Keep a proper distance when you sit, so that you're not distracting, you're not nudging anyone जो आपके बाजू में बैठा है. It's an important aspect. Do not try to what we call fidget with them. मतलब अपने face के साथ touch विच करना नहीं करना चाहिए. Do not leave the table. क्योंकि आप किसी बुजुर्ग के साथ बैठे हो, अगर आप कॉर्पोरेट बैठे हो, 110% आपको वहां पे सीनियर्स होंगे, नहीं छोड़ना है. फ्रेंड्स बोलो, जैसे हमने मैनर्स सीखा था, ask excuse, then you can leave it. The most dangerous part, what we're doing at this point of time, just playing with phones and watching TVs. हमने कभी घर पे तो कभी प्लेट्स के साथ शॉट नहीं किया था, खाना खाने के बाद आवाज नहीं आया था. फोक्स है तो आपको पता है, फोक्स राइट हैंड साइड में फोक हो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपका सॉरी राइट हैंड साइड में आपका नाइफ हो, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आपका फोक हो. It's important. So we can learn this from home itself. So these are the few etiquettes. If you can follow, I'm sure you can win the world. You can win your friend as well. Because as I keep on repeating, again I'm repeating, people are here to judge. People are here to find mistake. Very few are there to appreciate. So it's the best time. Okay. So hope we all table manners. Second, where you go, you should know before invited. You should know how you're not coming. Aware of what is going on, how we are saving with you, carry gifts along with you, gifts along with you, anything, any small, eat, keep your phones away, keep
I'm so sorry. I think there is some technical issue, some internet issues with Mahesh sir on his end. We'll just have him back in a minute. Please stay with us. Sorry for the inconvenience. So while Mr. Mahesh is connecting back with us, so we definitely like talking about gifting and eating out, I see a lot of people are also raising hands, and yes, the chat is currently disabled. A few people have that questions also. If you have any questions related to any of the topics that are currently being discussed, please do drop your questions in the Q&A box, and we will be having a Q&A round at the end of the session. At that point of time, we will definitely pick up the questions as per the time limit, and we will be soon be having more polls for you. And yes, I think we have Mahesh sir connecting back. We can see his video. He'll be joining in a while. Mahesh sir, I think you'll need to unmute yourself.
Done. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you. You'll have to, sir, you'll have to start the
Share this.
screen sharing. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Next is
Screen is
telephone.
not visible. It's still loading. It's blackened out. Just could you just try that once again, sir?
Sure. Just a moment.
Absolutely perfect. We're good to go.
Great. My friend, now the third topic what we're going to discuss is telephone etiquette. Now, I'm sure this is one of the, again, the best topic in whenever I've discussed, I have taken my seminar. This is something which is wherein people are making a lot of difference, wherein people are winning the world, and where are people are winning people, where are people are closing sales, where are people losing so many things, so many rejections either हमने ही सुना है कि टेलीफोन की वजह से if you are or if we are not active or if we are not not thorough with telephone etiquette, if we don't know what to talk, if you're not prepared, and if we are not polite, so many times we have lose so many things. Friends टूटते हुए देखा है, रिलेशनशिप ब्रेक होते हुए देखा है, जॉब जाते हुए देखा है, रिजेक्शंस होते हुए देखा है, फेलियर्स होते हुए देखा है, कितने सारे सेल्स होते होते रुक गया ये बिजनेस. आज आप सबको पता होगा, सबके पास फोन है. अगर इस फोन का सही इस्तेमाल भी अगर नहीं किया गया, अगर पीपल विल मिसयूज दिस, एंड आई एम श्योर we are going to be behind, and I don't know, it's going to be very difficult for anybody, for you, for me, to catch up the market. It's going to be very difficult. So here we go. Now remember one thing, how many times हमने realize किया है कि वो कॉल अगर important तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है ना, वो बंदा, हम उसका कॉल उठाएंगे ही नहीं, हम नहीं उठाते. वही चीज हमारा पहला टॉपिक था, सोशल मैनर. बिकॉज वो इंसान हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है ना, तो रिंग होने दो, बिकॉज फेस नहीं करना. अगर इंपॉर्टेंट होना सर, डेफिनेटली फ्रेंड मेरे, वो एक ही रिंग पे उठता है फोन. यही सबसे बड़ा डिफरेंस है. अगर सबको हम एक नजर से देख लिया ना डियर, definitely is going to be make huge difference, because it shows that how attentive you are, how attentive, कितना फोकस. फोन आया, नेम स्क्रीन पर, 3 रिंग्स में फोन उठा लो. ये इम्पैक्ट खाली आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में ही नहीं होगा, ये आपके ऑफिशियल लाइफ में भी होगा, ये फ्रेंड्स में. कितनी बार हमने देखा भाई आपका फोन तो बजते जा रहा है, आप उठाते ही नहीं हो, बिकॉज इंपॉर्टेंट ही नहीं है ना सर. दैट इज द मेजर difference what we have seen that. Remember, whenever you get call, answer the call in 3 rings, and the moment you answer, greet it, introduce yourself. It's such an important thing. अगर यही जैसे आपने अगर इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से अगर आपने ये ग्रीटिंग्स किया, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाय, जो भी जैसा भी लगता है, नमस्कार, सलाम, जो भी आपको कंफर्टेबल लगता है, स्ट्रेट अवे बोलो, डेड एयर मत दो, इंट्रोड्यूस इट, सामने वाला भी देगा आपको उसी तरह से सेम रिप्लाई करेगा। आप अपना काम कर दो, सामने वाला करता है या नहीं करता वो तो बैठा ही है ना सिर्फ आपको जज करने के लिए। इट्स द बेस्ट थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू इट डियर। चाहे वो ऐसा भी कितनी बार हो सकता है आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी के लिए कॉल हो एंड यू आर नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, कितनी बार ऐसा मौका आया है आपके पास, यू विल गेट अ कॉल बैक अगेन, पर वो कभी नहीं आता बिकॉज वी डोंट स्पीक क्लियरली, वी डोंट स्पीक विद द क्लैरिटी। वो मिसिंग है क्योंकि हम प्रिपेयर ही नहीं है, हमारी आदत सी है ऐसी है। अगर वो हमने बराबर क्लैरिटी लाया और क्लियर से और क्लीन होकर और अच्छे से अगर हमने बोला ओवर द कॉल, देखो चीजें कैसे बदलने लगती, ऑटोमेटिकली बदलने लगती। बी वेरी एक्टिव, क्योंकि आपका फोन जैसे ही बजने लगता है ना, उसी वक्त पर आप अटेंटिव हो जाओ, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि क्या होने वाला है नेक्स्ट। You should know what is going to happen after hardly 5 seconds. You should be ready for it. अगर आपको डिफरेंस पता लगना है ना, आपको पता चल जाएगा अगर आपका कॉल इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको ऑटोमेटिकली माइंड का जो सिस्टम है ना, आपको कमांड देने लगता ही है। अगर वो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं ना, आपके माइंड में थॉट आएगा ही नहीं। अगर वो इंपॉर्टेंट है कॉल, वो इंसान इंपॉर्टेंट है, थॉट ऑटोमेटिकली विल स्टार्ट प्रोसेसिंग। That is going to make a very huge difference. अगर ये हो गया, then start listen, because most of the time जब हम बात करते over the call, most of the time we are actually not listening properly. Listening is one of the best secret and one of the worst reason for rejections and failure for anybody and everybody, even for me also. हमें भी वक्त लगा है चीजों को समझने और देखने के लिए, और आपको ये अपॉर्चुनिटी, ये कॉलेज, इनका रियली वेरी थैंकफुल इफ यू गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सी दिस। प्लीज वर्क, if you are active there is no issues, but there is always a scope of improvement. You can do it, see it, make notes. If it is important, make notes. If not important, if you think the brain is sharp enough, just keep that in the mind. So make sure अगर वो बंदे ने आपको पूछ लिया, if the person will ask you again, you should remember to reply him back. Understand, because when we listen to understand, not to reply. When you understand, you make a note and you fix it in your brain, you would be able to reply. That is such an important aspect. Listen, कितनी बार ऐसा होता है, क्योंकि हमारे लिए अगर आपने कॉल ऐसे ही उठाया है, ध्यान नहीं है, सुनो, जैसे कि अगर मान लेते हैं कि आपको डिफरेंस है, आपके फैमिली मेंबर से कोई बुजुर्ग कॉल करता है, आप अपने अभी आपके माइंड में आ जाएगा, अगर फैमिली मेंबर से कोई कॉल कर रहा है, आपका लिसनिंग स्किल देखो कैसा है, आपको फोकस कितना रहेगा। उसी जगह पे आपके आपस में किसी ने फ्रेंड के लिए कॉल हुआ रहेगा, तभी आपका लिसनिंग स्किल्स कैसा होगा देख लो, आप क्या सुन रहे हो। अगर उसी वक्त पे किसी ने जॉब के लिए आपको कॉल किया रहेगा, तो देखो आपका माइंड का प्रोग्राम कैसा काम करता है। 3 डिफरेंट सिनेरियोस है, डिफरेंस देखो, एकदम डिफरेंट है, डू इट। अगर इफ यू ट्रीट एवरीवन इक्वली, you will automatically start getting appreciations. You will get it easily, very differential. And again, और ये जो 5th point है, such an important, seek permission before hold or transfer. ये भी उसी वक्त होता है जब चीज हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं होता। ये कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ में भी इंपॉर्टेंट होगा, और आपके रियल लाइफ में भी, जब पर्सनली व्हेन यू टॉक टू योर फैमिली मेंबर्स, दीस पीपल आल्सो यू आर डूइंग अ जॉब। जहां हमें पैसे मिलते हैं वहीं पे हम बराबर एटिकेट्स फॉलो करते हैं, राइट? सीक परमिशंस व्हेन यू टॉक टू योर कस्टमर्स, व्हेन यू टॉक टू योर क्लाइंट्स, you will properly seek permissions. Okay, sir, just there is some technical issue, can I put you on a hold for the moment? आप अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में क्यों नहीं करते? ये ऐसा होता है कि नहीं? मेरे लाइफ में भी नहीं होता था। क्यों नहीं ऐसा होता? Because we don't treat them as such as important as like this client and customers. If you treat them, trust me, people will start automatically, accepting. People will start automatically gelling around with you because you treat everyone as equal, as important of your life, and you will see the change. You will see the difference. And of course, sixth is, you need always need to be happy. You always need to be, keep smile with full. आपको लगता है अगर if you're on telephone, सामने वाले को पता नहीं चलता कि आप उदास हो, आप नाराज हो, या मे बी आपके लाइफ में कुछ दुर्घटना घटी है, या कुछ चल रहा है आपके लाइफ में, पता चलता है। ये कब पता चलता है मालूम है? वहां पे भी जब आपका लाइफ बंदा इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, अगर आपका फ्रेंड इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, कभी होगा तो यस आपको पता चल जाएगा। कोई अननोन होगा ना, यू डोंट केयर, पर पता चलता है। व्हेन यू स्माइल, यू सी, व्हेन यू स्माइल एंड टॉक, you see the difference. Such a confident voice you get over the call, and that person will listen to you because you are sounding so pleasant, so soothing. Why not? That makes a difference. Telephone, because in today's era, what we are, like you and I, telephone is gonna be make a huge difference. This device is going to make a huge difference. How you're going to use it? Now the question is completely depends on you. If you're using it appropriately, and you are using it the way it's supposed to be, you will see the how difference is going to make it. कोई आपको पीछे नहीं कर सकता, कोई नहीं कर सकता, ना personally ना professionally. This is something what we have discussed about delicate etiquettes, and I hope uh, wherever you are master at it, you can learn more, you can get more information about it, and if you think where you need to work on, just try start working on it. Search for more, research for more, and start working, and you see the difference. आपके जिंदगी में, आपके बोलचाल में बदलाव आएगा ही आएगा, 110% guarantee. Let's move on to the next topic. Meeting etiquette. Now, अब ये एटिकेट ऐसा है, अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा मैटर करेगा बिकॉज कोविड-19 है, everybody is at their home. Soon you will be moving out, soon, very soon, and it is going to play a very important role again. हमने जितनी भी बातें की है ओवर द कॉल, जितना भी सब कुछ किया है, कितने दोस्तों से, कितने लोगों से, कितने ना जाने अनगिनत लोगों से जिन्हें से हमें बात भी नहीं कर पाए थे, हमने बात किया है. We got this opportunity to talk to anyone and everyone. Now look at this meeting etiquette. What is going to happen? What is going to make a difference? Because हो सकता है, I'm not sure, हो सकता है lethargicपन, हो सकता है कि laid back, हो सकता है we will try to take some time to get punctual. चाहे वो आपका कॉलेज का लेक्चर मिस हो जाए, चाहे आपका इंपॉर्टेंट कोई सेमिनार मिस हो जाए, क्या पता क्या है कि आपका इंटरव्यू मिस हो जाए, किसी का कॉन्फ्रेंस मिस हो जाए, कुछ भी हो सकता है. Keep social distance in your mind, but at the same time respect somebody else's time as well, because आपके वजह से या वो उनकी वजह से एक दूसरे का टाइम ब्लॉक्ड है. अगर आप चाहते हो कोई आपकी इज्जत करे, आपके टाइम की, आपकी वक्त की इज्जत करे, आप अपनी ही टाइम की इज्जत करो. Definitely the opposite person will respect you. Be punctual, respect time, and time will respect you back, and it will give you back a lot. This is the worst what we do, because we know at this point of time हम पहले जैसे बैग उठा के चलना नहीं है. It's a very important. Things are changing, world is changing, people are changing, systems are changing. We got to change. आपके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है, नहीं है. अगर चेंज नहीं हुए ना, हम बहुत पीछे हो जाएंगे. हमें वक्त लगेगा, हमें एक्स्ट्रा करना है. आप गए डिस्टेंस मीटिंग करना है, बाहर जाना है, आपको पता है 4 चीजें और एक्स्ट्रा लेना है भाई. मास्क एक्स्ट्रा लेना है, सैनिटाइजर्स रखने हैं, बहुत सारे डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करने हैं. हमें पता है सामने वाले से कैसे बातें करनी है. हाय, जेस्चर्स, जस्ट से नमस्कार, you just keep distance away. We have to move out from the, so that is things what we have to mention, we have to take care of, we have to take precautions. एंड ये इसमें भलाई दोनों की है. So respect time, respect your time, respect others' time as well, and people will love it. If you are on time, I would rather suggest before time, 10 minutes or 15 minutes prior. Trust me, it's good to be early rather than be late. Am I right? You know how we are is going to be traffic and everything, because you know everybody on the road, everybody will be behind the job. Everybody going out for dining out. Everybody, let's go out. But you need to be more cautious before you take a call to go out and move out. It's not about only punctuality, it's also about maintaining distance as well. That is something you have to look after. Along with that, I'm just saying, along with that, if you are a punctual. Now, introductions, because now meeting etiquettes, there are two places, there are two things. Either you are for corporate or you are in your friends as well. If you're meeting in your friends, आपके family members में होगा, या family यहाँ से इस place से कहीं और place पे जा रही है, तो या आपके friends की कोई meetings हो रही है, या आपका college में कोई meetings होगा, या कोई seminars होगा, या कहीं आपको invitations होगा, make sure, या कहीं आपकी कोई meetings होगी, introduction has to be strong. Just prepare it before it gets worse. या इससे और बदतर बने, स्ट्रॉन्ग इंट्रोडक्शन हैज टू बी इम्पोर्टेंट. कितनी बार हमने टेलीफोन एटिकेट्स में होगा, जब हमें कॉल्स आता है हमें 30 सेकंड्स में पता चल जाता है whether the call is important or not, because the introduction is not that strong. Introduction, if it is strong, the person will stay with you for next 30 minutes. in your आपका इंट्रोडक्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ साथ इम्पैक्टफुल भी होना चाहिए. Then you see how it's going to make a difference. और आपको पता है कि आपका प्रिपरेशन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है, आपको पता है कि आपका वक्त भी बहुत कम है, क्योंकि यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट टाइम. चाहे आप फैमिली में टाइम स्पेंड करो, उसकी भी टाइम का, समय का रिस्पेक्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा. यू शुड बी वेरी प्रोसाइज कि आप आए क्यों. It shows your etiquette, it shows your manners, it shows that how you are well prepared. आपका प्लान क्या है, ये आधे घंटे का प्लान और स्ट्रैटेजी क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स, हमें पता है जैसे मैम स्टार्टेड, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, वी गोइंग टू टेक इट. इफ यू आर मोर प्रिसाइज, आप जितना क्लीन, जितना क्लियर हो, जितना प्रिसाइज हो अपने एजेंडा को लेके, जितना प्रिसिशन से कर रहे हो, सामने वाला भी उतना ही रिस्पेक्ट करेगा. ही नोज, शी नोज, यू भी ऑल्सो कम टू नो कि यस, प्रॉपर एजेंडा है. एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज, body language, I have just if you see the image, अगर आप image देखते हो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड में, ऑन द टॉप दोनों कॉर्पोरेट है, सारे ग्रुप में बैठे हुए बॉडी लैंग्वेज देखो कितना डिफरेंट. स्ट्रेट postures, eye to eye contact, or you want to fight, you want to discuss, or you want to argue, or you want to fight with with the team. Would you do that? You would not be doing it, right? इससे तुम्हारे पोस्चर से फैमिली का जो बड़ा मेंबर रहेगा, फ्रेंड्स लोग में जो सीनियर्स रहेगा, और शायद आपको जिसको इंप्रेशन जमाना होगा ना, वो आपको जज कर रहा है, वो आपको नोटिस कर रहा है, वो आप पे फोकस है, आप करो या ना करो, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि आपकी इंप्रेशन कितने आप कहीं पे भी हो. अगर मेरे भी माइंड में है ना, मैं अगर आपसे बात करूं, मेरे माइंड में है, इफ आई डोंट सिट स्ट्रेट, इफ आई डोंट लुक एट यू in your eyes, if I don't talk to you, if I look at somewhere else and I'm talking to you, least bother, disinterest is not even talking to me. आप मुझे देखोगे, आप मुझे सुनोगे, आप मेरी किसी बात को मानोगे? 200% not. सेम विद आपके साथ. अगर किसी मीटिंग में बैठो, कॉलेज के लेक्चर में बैठो, कॉलेज के लेक्चर्स में ही बैठो, आप कहीं और देखो, अगर वो सर की जगह आप खड़े हो और 4 स्टूडेंट्स कहीं और बात कर रहे हैं, कैसा फील होता है? आप अपने आप को उसकी जगह पे रखें. वो पोस्चर्स इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, बिकॉज व्हाट हैपन व्हेन यू सिट स्ट्रेट, आई टू आई कांटेक्ट, बातें स्ट्रेट, नीट है, क्लीन है, आपको देखता है, आप पे इंटरेस्ट आता है. हम बातें किससे करते हैं? जो लोग हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट है ना, हम उससे एकदम सही नहीं. यही सबसे बड़ा मिस्टेक मैंने की थी अपने लाइफ में, मुझसे भी होता था. बट यस, आफ्टर मीटिंग seniors, after meeting superiors, after meeting your senior member from your family, मैंने उनको इग्नोर किया पहले. अब हमारा सबसे बड़ा लाइफ में डिफरेंस कब आता है मालूम है? हम कॉलेज में भी इग्नोर करते, हम अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स में भी ग्रांट लेते. We have taken it. I have taken it. I have taken granted for my family members, my seniors, my parents, college professors. I did not listen to them. But ultimate, आपके लाइफ में चेंजेस कब आते हैं? आप अभी सीरियस नहीं लेते हो. जब वो कॉर्पोरेट में जाते हो, जब कॉर्पोरेट में आपका सीनियर कोई मैनेजर्स, बॉसेस, डायरेक्टर होता है, देन यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, ओह, I have to do it. Because why? Because you started making money. That's why. If you don't do it, you get out of the job. वहां पे फियर है जॉब जाने का, पैसा नहीं मिलने का, कंपैरिजंस का, क्रिटिसिज्म का. फैमिली को तो वी हैव टेकन ग्रांटेड. अरे दोस्ती यारी में तो चल जाता है. नो, आपको पता नहीं कौन आपको देख रहा है, आपको पता नहीं कौन आपको जज कर रहा है, आपको पता नहीं आपकी जिंदगी यहां से कहां बदल सकती है. राइट? सबको पता है क्यों एक क्लास में सेम लेक्चर, सेम सॉर्ट ऑफ टॉपिक, सेम सर है, स्टूडेंट्स भी वही है, बस उसमें से कुछ लोग 2% ही टॉप कर पाते, बाकी नहीं कर पाते. क्या है रीजन? यही है. यही सोशल एटिकेट आपके लाइफ में, जिंदगी में चेंज करेगा. 110% चेंज करेगा. बिकॉज वी आर लिटिल बिहाइंड. वी हैव टेकन थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड. डू इट. जब बात करने की बात आई मीटिंग में, एवरीबॉडीज रेज अप देयर हैंड्स. पर जब आपकी बारी आई, जब मेरी बारी आई, हमने तो बोला ही नहीं. हमने कहा था एजेंडा को बराबर रखो, प्रिपेयर रखो, स्ट्रॉन्ग इंट्रोडक्शंस रखो, बट आपने नहीं बोला. इफ यू डिडंट स्पीक अप, यू आर गॉन आउट ऑफ द टॉपिक स्ट्रेट अवे. कितनी बार ऐसा मौका मिला है. हम फैमिली में नहीं बोलता रहे, ये तो बच्चा बोलता है नहीं, ये पहले से नहीं बोलता. इन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी गई या नहीं दी गई, मिला तो नहीं लिया, मिला तो या प्रिपेयर नहीं किया. स्पीक अप, सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. हमने जितनी भी चीजें सीखी है ना, अगर उतनी चीज को आपने इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया थ्रू कम्युनिकेशन, then it's going to be very difficult for us, for you, for me to put a message, to convey the message to the opposite person, and we would not be able to get the things what we wanted, what we supposed to get. चाहे वो आपका फैमिली में हो, चाहे आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में हो, चाहे वो बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड में हो, चाहे वो इंटरव्यूज में हो, चाहे वो किसी मीटिंग में हो, या कॉन्फ्रेंस में हो, या कॉलेज के कैंपस में हो, या किसी के लेक्चर में, यू विल नॉट गेट इट. बिकॉज द पर्सन, आपने देखा होगा ना, कॉलेज में कहीं पे भी जाइए आप, अगर वो बंदा नहीं बोलता, उसके पास आसपास कोई नहीं होता यार, उसके पास कोई नहीं होता. और आप चाहोगे ऐसा कभी और आए आपके पास? सही मौका है. लर्न दिस, and if you are great at it, little more, increase that. There is no harm. And another thing what we have noticed, जैसे हमने टेबल मैनर्स में सीखा था, अब अगर किसी की मीटिंग्स में अगर आप जा रहे हो, अगर ये मीटिंग एटिकेट्स है, अगर आप किसी मीटिंग में जा रहे हो, किसी कॉन्फ्रेंस में जा रहे हो, किसी टेबल पे आप बैठे हो, प्लीज डू नॉट कीप योर फोन ऑन द टेबल, ऑन टॉप. Because this is going to be a little distractions for the person. This is absolutely going to be a distraction. You never know, the light is going to be flashing, right? Your phone might be going to ring, vibrate. Put it on silent, keep it in your pocket. हमें ब्रांड दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है. कौन सी ब्रांड का फोन यूज कर रहे हैं हम, हमारा पावरफुल 5 पॉइंट्स में ही मिल गया. The moment you start opening up, the moment you start speaking up, the moment you start talking, that person automatically started, pointing notes. All right, hopefully I have covered this meeting etiquette, and I'm sure you and I, or we, all of us, wherever we think we are doing good, we can do more good, and we can become better and the best. And wherever we think we have to work a little bit, we should work. You have a great time, we should do this. We have a lot of time, we can do this. Okay, remember आपने एक 7 points है जहां पे लिखा है doubts and questions. ये डिपेंड्स करता है आपके वाइज डिसीजंस आप कहां लेते हो. सारे डाउट्स, सारे क्वेश्चंस एंड में नहीं रखना. स्पेशली ये कॉर्पोरेट्स में काम आएंगे. और कभी दोस्ती में, कभी फैमिली में, आपको पता होना चाहिए क्या सवाल आपको पूछना है और कब पूछना है। इससे सामने वाला आइरेट हो सकता है, आप भी, मैं भी। कौन सी वक्त में सवाल पूछ लिया यार, सिचुएशन, माहौल खराब है, घर पे माहौल खराब है, और उसको पूछा ही चलो दोस्त चल घूमे चलते, कहते हैं एक तो सही, समझ तो सही, हो क्या रहा है अंदर, आर्ग्यूमेंट चल, ऑफिस में मीटिंग्स में कुछ गड़बड़ चल रही है, ऐसी ऐसी कुछ तो गड़बड़ चल रही है, एकदम सेल्स नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, देन पीपल टॉक, कैन वी टेक अ ब्रेक। सवाल पूछने से पहले सोच लो, कहीं पे भी कुछ भी, it will help you to pursue the professional lives in both. Okay, and hopefully I have taken this mixture of these points, and I'm sure you will see a lot of difference in your life. Let's move on to the next one. Social relationship etiquette. Now
Hello.
again, this is more interesting.
Hello.
Yes.
Mike, so sorry to interrupt. We're just running short on time. So we could just, quickly take up the other topics, and we have a lot of questions coming from the students. So we will just need some time for the Q&A as well. So.
Okay, so I can jump to directly this social relation, or I can jump to the next one.
Yeah. So we can cover this quickly.
Quickly, okay.
And there are a lot of questions also on the netiquettes. So we would really like to listen to that as well.
Super, super. Okay, thanks, man. You can see the screen?
Yes, that's what it. Please go.
Perfect. Yeah. Yes, my friend, let's move on to this next topic, which is called social relationship, which is such an interesting. When we talk about relation, people say, "Oh, relationship with a girlfriend or boyfriend," or so. Let me discuss this, and I want to clear this part. Social relationship. It's not only about end and keep it till girlfriend boyfriend. It is important between friends. It is important for our family members. It is important for brothers sisters. It is important for your corporate colleagues. So how are we going to be? Because this social relationship and your social distance goes hand in hand. Because wherever you go to the new place, you enter, और किसी को आप दोस्ती बनाते हो, किसी के साथ आपका कोलीग होता है, किसी के फ्रेंड्स में होता है, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, आप उसका पास्ट, लीव द पास्ट इन द पास्ट। बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट। आज जिस वक्त आपके दिमाग में, आपके जहन पे पास्ट आया, द पास्ट विल नेवर एवर इज गोइंग टू बी टेक यू इन, मेक यू टू लिव इन द प्रेजेंट एंड टेक यू इन द फ्यूचर। ओके, एंड रिमेंबर, किसी भी रिलेशनशिप को एंटर होने से पहले, वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट पॉइंट एवर, इंटेंट एंड कंटेंट होना बहुत जरूरी है। आपका इंटेंशन क्या है वो रिलेशनशिप को एंटर होने से पहले, और उसमें रिलेशन में उसमें क्या चीज आप उनके लिए कर सकते हो। आप अपना काम कीजिए, वो अपना काम खुद करेगा। वो नहीं करा, दैट्स ओके, यू डिड योर जॉब, यू डिड योर बेस्ट, दैट्स इट, एंड वी कैन मूव ऑन। ओके, नाउ wherever you go, we store introductions, so conversation starter होना बहुत जरूरी है। You should know, हम जब भी डाइनिंग टेबल में बैठते हैं, हम what we ask for starters, right? Because starters आपको हिट करता है, आपके एपिटाइट को बढ़ाता है कि भाई अभी मेन कोर्स है। सेम वैसा ही है, आपका स्टार्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन अगर एकदम अट्रैक्टिव और मैग्नेटिक हुआ ना, वो बंदा, बंदी, बॉस, कोई भी, they will stick around, they will not move। तभी तो बोलते हैं सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर होना बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। People will love to be around and always be involved, be involved। ठीक है, आप इधर हो फैमिली में, आपने लेफ्ट साइड का पिक्चर देखा होगा, पूरी फ्रेंड्स उधर है, पूरी फैमिली उधर हो, पर वो बंदा कहीं और बिजी है। Not a good sign, that's not a good sign of social manners, absolutely is going against the etiquette। Can you see the right on the corporate size? टेबल पे इतने लोग बैठे, 2 जन उधर देख रहे, 3 जन उधर देख रहे, 4 जन इधर देख रहे। It's not a good sign, there is no sign of teamwork, there is no sign of involvement involved। And except for कौन है 100% यार, I am not there, you're not there, no one is 100%, कोई भी नहीं है 100%। हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ फ्लॉज है, कुछ ना कुछ गलतियां हैं, कुछ ना कुछ लूप होल्स है। एक्सेप्ट करो यार, उसके सही चीजों को पकड़ो और मूव ऑन, यही तो सही राइट है। The moment you start accepting, they will accept it for sure। वो भी आपके ही कुछ गलतियां को माफ करके आगे चलेंगे, आप भी कर सकते हैं। And be respectful and enjoy the moment wherever you are at this moment, wherever you are, wherever you go, just love and have the fun and enjoy the moment and be respectful for others। आपने self तो सीखा है. Now for others, be respectful. If you're respectful, you will start getting respect automatically. If you keep the points, it's very important. Trust me, your relationship is going to be very, very, very damn strong. It's very, very difficult chance to, you know, you break the relationship. चाहे वो आपके फैमिली मेम्बर्स, कॉर्पोरेट, फ्रेंड सर्कल हो, या किसी भी बाहर के सर्कल में, या आपके किसी कॉलेज कैंपसेस में कहीं पे भी, या के प्रोफेसर्स के साथ. People get scared to pick a strong relationship with the professors because they're scared. No, because if we know the etiquettes, people will come back and definitely they build a very strong relationship. And I'm telling you, networking and relationship, it is going to be key. Mark my word, my friend. Mark my word. Networking and relationship, it's gonna be the key. It's gonna be key for anybody's life, for me and for you, for anyone. Let's move on to the next one. Oof, social media. I'm sure everyone would be excited. Let's discuss about social media now. It's booming. Now, I'm sure for the last 2 months, 2 महीने हो गए यार, 2 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गए हम घर बैठे बैठे सोशल मीडिया की, तो हमने इतना इस्तेमाल किया है कि पूछो मत. और हम कहते रह गए कि हमें वक्त नहीं मिलता, हम कहते रह गए हमें सीखने का कुछ वक्त नहीं मिलता, हम कहते रह गए हम दोस्तों से बात नहीं कर सकते. कितने दोस्त हमें व्हाट्सएप पे ही रह गए. सही वक्त मिला है सोशल मीडिया का, पर आई डोंट नो वेदर आर यू यूजिंग इट और मिस यूजिंग इट. That is important questions. Are we really following the etiquette of using the social media? Are we really learning about the social distances? Are we really learning about what is going to happen post this COVID-19? How are we going to maintain ourselves? How are we going to, maintain a distance from one family to from another family? How are we going to maintain ourselves from one friend to another friend? It's difficult. It's been so long we are not meeting them. How are we going to maintain a distance from our students? How are we going to maintain a distance from your corporate world? There are so many things what you need to take care of. Are we using the social media platform, which is one of the strongest platform at this point of and going forward for the next 5-10 years, maybe more. So let's start with this. Next time, of course, I would not be able to say the change will happen straight away. But next time, if you take the last 5 topics what I have covered, and this topic, if you think important, whenever you pick up your phone, whenever you go on your laptop, whenever visit any social media platform, ask one question: why I am doing this? Ask one question to you: why I am doing this? Is this going to benefit you? Is this going to benefit others? Is this going to benefit the people surrounding with everybody? Start with why. You will have an answer. And next time, whenever you go on the social media platform, next time, whenever you use your phone, next time, whenever you use your laptop, you will come to know. Okay, this is what it is. If I do this, I mean, this is not going to be helpful. Now, very important again, you have a lot of time to, we can now mindful. So, mindful about, you should learn what are the things you need to take care of when you in the social media. It goes with don't overshare. What you need to share, what site you need to visit, what site will gives you a lot of information and add value in your life and in others' life, what pictures you have to share, what locations you have to share. Do you think every secret you have to share social media? We all of know, we all of know 80-90% of the people they fake. We don't know what's happening behind. We don't know what's going on in their life. So is it right to share all the informations, all over the internet or social media platform, especially your career, especially in your life? We are young. We are going to be future. So much what we can do. So we should have in questions what to share, what not to share. Is it important? Like all this information is going to be shared over the line, on the line. We are not tech savvy. Are you? Are we so tech savvy? We know what exactly in social media platform going on. Do we know the entire whole the confidential of the Facebook, Instagram, or any other site like Twitter's or TikTok? We don't know exactly. Be very wise, be mindful, aware what are you doing, what is not going to do. And remember one thing, please, we should not be, we should not be commenting, we should not say anything which or should not hurt anybody's feeling. We should not be doing this. So as we said the last slide in this, we be respectful for others post as well. If you think, if you want your post, if you try to get something out of this post, we want to earn something out of this post in the social media platforms, start respecting others post as well, and you know what comment you're going to pass. And this thing, and the fifth point, keep all fights offline. You should not have this. You don't know who is using it, you don't know who's misusing it, you don't know who is taking granted for this opportunity. Informations, or could be your personal information, anything will go wrong. We don't know. So be respectful for others posts, respect the others post, the others will respect your post. Do not have any grudges on the offline. If you anything is there on the sorry, keep all the fights offline. Nothing. You should not remove all your frustrations online. Don't do not do this, because the world is watching. If it's for the information, it is from the education, it is from the knowledge purpose. 200%, I would say 100%. You should make sure you go on and you can do that. But yes, the time what we you are right now, the friends, do not do that online. Be mindful. All right, and don't misrepresent yourself. You don't know, very soon you don't know, corporates or anything, your bosses or anywhere, any seniors will pick you up from the websites, like in the from the social media platform. How you maintaining your social media platform, people will pick you up straight away for any opportunity. You don't know, and that's how people get success. All right. So, my friend, I have covered all the six topics, and the six topics, whatever I have covered, you think, is it worth? Is it worth? And it is really going to make a difference in your life. And if you think you will be able to solve problems, and if you think you can able to bring a value in your life and in your others' life, go ahead. Don't stop. Okay. Now the next, what we're going to have a second poll. It is going to be, do you think, like, you think social media, is social media helping you to dash your potential and personality?
So everybody has a polling box in front of you. Would request everybody to answer that. Okay, so we have a lot of youth that is continuously on social media, and yes, I'm sure a lot of people are also watching us right now on social
Wonderful,
media.
wonderful. I can like response what we are getting in straight away. I think within a few seconds only we came to know. Yes, social media is the platform. It's not only helping us; it's helping everybody to grow and upgrade themselves, upscale themselves. It's a great platform for everyone. Thank you so much. And so before we move on to questionnaires, just want to put a message to everyone. My friend, please, question changes, action changes. And please ask one question to yourself, how you're living your daily life. If not now, then when? If not you, then who? Thank you so much for your precious time, your valuable time. And I hope I have given justice to this. And I hope I have made the changes. I can build something in your life. And thank you so much for your time. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much, Mahesh sir. I'm sure the audience has taken up a lot of pointers to note down, and we have a lot of questions. The Q&A box was buzzing with a lot of questions, and
All
still
right.
there are more questions coming our way. I've just taken a few questions as we are short on time. I'll just take a few. We will not be able to take all the questions from the audience, but a few of them.
Mhm.
So a lot of people have been asking that, we like, very well you pointed out that when we are with other people, a group of people that we are not meeting on a regular basis, we follow a certain way of talking with them and a certain behavior, and we don't really do the same with our closed ones and family members and friends. I mean, the thank yous and the sorries just go and are taken for granted. So definitely that is one thing, and people are asking that, what happens if somebody is continuously taking you down, putting you down, and you want to come back on that person, and how should you answer that positively?
Okay, thank you so much for putting this question. And again, this is a very important aspect where how we can come up strong, and the person will start respecting you. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Now, it's important, right? If we know that what is my strength and my weaknesses, and if we start working on that strength and focusing on our strength, and if you change the way you were before and what you are right now, you can automatically, you do not need to give them answer back. You do not need to. People at this point of time, they are so aggressive, and they are so upfront. They are so, what we call, hurry to reply, hurry to, prove people out. Nobody is focusing and improving. Nobody. Do it silently. Silent killer is the best killer. The moment you're silent, the opposite person automatically start questioning himself. He's not reacting because his action or her action is going to make a difference.
Right, right. Very much agreed with that point, sir. That when the opposite person is just being too loud or being too harsh on you, I mean, we shouldn't be imitating and mirroring that same behavior.
Exactly.
Rather, be more calm and just be yourself, rather. And
Want.
time will definitely, sort out the issues or whatever that is between the two people, and automatically the things will be moving towards a positive approach. There are a few more questions, sir. A lot of people have also asked how to give a strong introduction when they are meeting people.
Okay, great. I mentioned again, it's a very good question. Agenda. Have you done the research? Now take my example. Take my example. Now the students, they can hear me, right?
Yes, yes,
They
yes.
can,
All
absolutely. Now, take my example only directly. You want to give a strong introductions? How many times we met? How many times we discussed? How many times we have prepared? How many times we have researched about this particular thing? Have you done a single percent, like a 1% of the effort, if you can put to do a little bit of a research on that opposite person, that opposite company, that particular person, that particular family, the particular group? कितने हैं वो ग्रुप में, कितने लोग हैं, क्या उनका एज साइज है, क्या उनके लाइक्स है, क्या उनके डिसलाइक्स है, क्या चाहते हैं वो हमसे? यही तो होता है, हम अपने आप को ही प्रूव करने जाते हैं। सामने वाले को समझो। देखो, आज के जमाने में अगर जीतना है ना, इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना होगा। हम शेयरिंग द सीक्रेट मैम, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सीक्रेट हम शेयरिंग, कितना भी मशीन आ जाए, कितना भी मशीन आ जाए, आई एम टेलिंग यू, कितनी भी टेक्नोलॉजी ऊपर बढ़ जाए, इमोशन इंटेलिजेंस को कोई बीट नहीं कर सकता।
right, right,
Understand the opposite person's psychic.
right, right,
चाहे वो corporate भी हो, you will be able to grab this. You will be able to
right.
win this conversation. That's for sure.
Right. Very, very rightly highlighted that emotional intelligence is very strong, and we have also lined up a session on emotional intelligence for all our attendees, so they
Okay,
can look forward to that session as
absolutely.
well. And separately, that's a different agenda to talk about. Sir, continuing to more questions that are coming in. We were, also talking about, how to be more positive in approaching somebody. So there are also questions on taking constructive criticism, and how would you take, a negative feedback? How would you differentiate between that?
Again, it's amazing. It's a great question, ma'am. And see, criticism, by taking criticism is not that easy. It's absolutely, it's not that easy by taking criticism. I'm sure सबने पिक्चर देखी होगी ना, मुन्ना भाई MBBS।
Absolutely, sure.
गांधीगिरी तो सुना होगा आपने सबने। तो क्रिटिसिजम्स को लेना, सबसे पहली बात, आप अपने आप को पहले ब्लेम करो। सबको क्या होता है ना, देखो, क्रिटिसिज्म से पहले प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, पीपल दे आर एंटरिंग इनटू कॉम्पिटिशंस एंड कंपैरिजन। if you are competing with others, and if yourself is comparing with others. These two things, if it come in your life, you're gone. If you want to compete yourself. If you want to compare with yourself, there is no criticism is going to harm you for sure. Because what happened now, we are giving importance to others, what he or she is saying to me, because you are deviating from your own intentions, your own content. If you stick to one particular line, one particular, if you're focused on that particular thing, so no one, it's okay. Criticism किसने नहीं सहा है यार डियर, किसने नहीं सहा है, हर किसी ने, मैं गो थ्रू एवरीथिंग, वो बड़ा से बड़ा एक्टर हो, पॉलिटिशियंस हो, डायरेक्टर्स हो, कोई भी, हर कोई जाता है और पढ़ेगा इससे जाने के लिए, पर आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. यू शुड बी फोकस्ड, यू शुड अलाइन टू इट, यू शुड स्टिक टू वन थिंग लाइक अ घोड़ा. यू शुड नो यू व्हाट इज योर टारगेट. वो बाद में तेरे को आएगा. थैंक दंगल देखा है ना, दंगल मूवी में क्या हो गया, वो बच्चों को कितना क्रिटिसिज्म हुआ डियर, कितना, और वो रियलिटी है, आई ना दुनिया उसके नीचे,
राइट,
आपके पास भी आएगी. सिंपल है.
right. Very well said, sir, that criticism needs to be taken it positively.
Exactly.
And a lot of times we have seen that the people who give a lot of criticism to others, I mean, people generally take that positively, and it will always come to your advantage, and it will always help you improve yourselves and compete with yourself rather than others.
It will make him strong rather.
Absolutely, absolutely. There is another question, sir, that some people have put in questions that we are talking a lot about etiquettes, and that's some of them feel that would change naturally the way somebody would behave. So is it that it would change somebody's identity by imbibing all these etiquettes?
Good. Another one. It's a good questions, by the way. See, no, it will not change the identity. No one is asking to change your identity. Just be natural. Just you have to be natural by yourself. एटिकेट एक ऐसा है, अगर हम फोन भी एक सीखने का वो होता है, लाइक इफ यू हैव अ फोन, इफ यू सोशल मीडिया, देयर इज समथिंग टू फॉलो. तो फिर हमारे वो इंसान और वो जानवर में कोई फर्क नहीं रह जाएगा, आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं होगी. It's just your behavior. It's just a pattern. It's just a pattern what you have to change. People have started liking you. अभी खुद ही, अब एक सिंपल सी रीजन है. हमने एटिकेट्स की बात की थी. अभी फर्क देखो, एक जब लड़का होता है अपने दोस्त में, ग्रुप में जैसे बात करता है, और वो अपने जिसने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से जैसे लड़की से बात करने जाता है. सॉरी, ये मेरा एग्जांपल से ज्यादा था, वो असरदार है. तो देखो ना, दोनों के स्टाइल में कितना फर्क है बात करने में, पर उसकी आइडेंटिटी चेंज नहीं होती. एटिकेट्स एक ऐसा एक वे ऑफ मतलब बिहेवियर है आपका टुवर्ड्स. इट्स समथिंग, इट्स जस्ट वेरी नीड टू, थोड़ा सा एक्स फैक्टर लाता है आपके इधर, और बहुत ज्यादा ही लाता है. इफ यू वांट टू ग्रो, डेफिनेटली दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इफ यू अप्लाई. इफ यू डोंट अप्लाई, दैट्स फाइन. फिर फर्क नहीं रह जाएगा.
राइट.
तो हम अपब्रिंगिंग की क्यों बात करते हैं, हर एक फैमिली में बस यही है.
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. Just taking some more questions, so we're
Yes,
just
please.
running short on time. Quickly trying to accommodate as many questions as possible.
Sure.
There are a lot of questions. People are asking that you tend to miss an important call. A lot of questions on that. So how do you get back to a person? It's not knowingly, but unknowingly you keep missing some calls. So how do you get back to the person?
Okay. See, if you really want to sound genuine, okay, you miss the call unintentionally. गलती से या जान से या अनजाने से आपसे मिस हो गया, कॉल बैक. हमें कॉल बैक करते करते शाम निकल जाता है यार, 2 दिन 3 दिन हो जाता है, जाता ही नहीं है. क्योंकि व्हाट्सएप पे भी तो यही होता है ना, कॉल बैक. तो स्पीक अप, सिंपल इज दैट. यू नीड टू बी स्पीक अप एंड बी जेन्युइन, साउंड जेन्युइन. यस, यू स्टक. अगर आप अपने आप को उसी मन से, लाइक एकदम साफ दिल से, फ्रॉम क्लीन माइंड, फ्रॉम ए क्लीन हार्ट, इफ यू एक्सप्लेन द ऑपोजिट पर्सन, वो एनर्जी पहुंचती है उसके पास, 101% पहुंचता है. जितनी कन्विंस करके आप अपने जैसे बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड को बात करते, भाई मेरे से गलती हुई, मेरा कॉल मिस हो गया यार, आई एम सो सॉरी अबाउट इट. देखो
Yes,
स्टाइल.
families also, right. Families also, we generally tend to miss the calls of mothers and the fathers as well.
मिस होता है. तो वहाँ देखो, वहाँ पे गलती बहुत होता है, वहाँ पे मिस होता है, वहाँ पे हम लोग उसका ग्रांट लेते हैं. हर कोई लेता है,
Right.
क्योंकि हम ध्यान ही नहीं देते. जब तक हम ठोकर नहीं खाएंगे तब तक।
Correct, correct,
तो
correct.
उसे उस वक्त भी यू ये चीज कब से हुई मालूम है? अभी क्या होता है कि हम बच्चे को भी छोड़ देते हैं, इट्स ओके, फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग आई गोइंग टू ड्रैग हिम, he'll fall, he will learn the lesson, he will come back for sure.
Right,
If it is
absolutely.
a genuine, if it is genuine, if she is genuine, they will call back for sure and talk to the parents again. And parents, though, definitely they are the gem, yeah.
Right,
They are,
right,
parents are gem. They are the master in our life.
right,
They are
right.
the creator of our life. You
Ab-
call back them, nothing. They will never say anything to you. You call just to make a one call. One call. You will see the tears in their eyes. Tears.
Absolutely. So, absolutely, sir, missing out on some important calls as soon as you one should call back as soon as somebody is available to make the call back and you're free from your meetings and discussions.
Hmm.
So, that should definitely be there, and apologize for missing the call. Or if the opposite person is not answering, drop a message that genuinely because of so and so reasons the call got missed, and you're available to connect or can connect on whatever time the opposite person is available.
Yeah, yeah.
There are also, we touched upon the topics of gifting. So when we are meeting families, or somebody is inviting us, what kind of gifts would somebody should take when they are visiting somebody's home, or somebody at work who has invited you for visiting their home? So what kind of gifts should someone carry?
A gift. It could be any form. It could be in any form. You can people buy fruits, people buy sweets, people buy bouquet, a flower
Right,
bouquet. It's more than enough. And one more
right,
thing, I have in that gifting part I've mentioned before invited and dining out. I was asking about. I just said if you can have just a little bit of courageous what you have to show there. You ask them like अगर if you can do research बहुत अच्छा होगा कि बच्चे हैं क्या, घर में बच्चे हैं या कोई है, माँ बाप नहीं चाहेंगे कि उनको कुछ चाहिए, अगर फैमिली में जा रहे हैं तो उनके बच्चे होंगे,
absolutely.
बच्चे के लिए कुछ टॉयज ले दो, मजा आ जाएगा, अरे माँ बाप तो खुश हो जाएंगे, जान छिड़क देंगे, ट्रस्ट में आपको डिनर के साथ है ना डिजर्ट तो मिलना ही मिलना है।
Right, right, right. Following that, there's another question, sir. How like there are some people who are introverts or not so talkative. They generally are at a loss of words on when you want to appreciate somebody. So, how would you appreciate somebody's good gesture, or in general, appreciate somebody for doing something for you, or they're looking good? How do you appreciate someone?
Okay, as for my understanding about the introvert, like how we are going to appreciate introvert people, or
No, so a lot of people wouldn't be open to a lot of
okay.
communication. They are not so social. So they would generally be at a loss of words on, if you like someone, generally people tend to say, okay, thank you. And, they accept, whatever the opposite person has done.
Now
But if you
it's
want to appreciate the gesture of the opposite
correct,
person,
correct,
how would you do?
amazing, amazing question. Now I want to put a message to, if uh, anyone in this group, in this forum or webinar is introvert, don't worry, thumbs up. I'm telling you, introvert is again is a sign of creativity. That's okay. That अगर वो ट्रेनर ने अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया ना, that is trainers for not your fault. That's okay. That is absolutely not your fault. That is your nature. That's okay. इंट्रोवर्ट भी अपने लाइफ में करियर में बहुत कुछ कर गए हैं, वो बोलते नहीं है, बट जब लिखते हैं ना, ऐसा लिखते हैं कि सामने वाले की धज्जियां उड़ा देते हैं। सो वो ट्रेनर्स के ऊपर जाता है ना, वो ट्रेनर्स जो कोच होते हैं ना, दैट्स ओके इफ यू से थैंक यू, दैट्स मोर देन इनफ, दैट्स फाइन।
Right,
उनका अलग ही लेवल है, उनका अलग ही प्लेस है इस वर्ल्ड में, डोंट वरी। They have
right,
become an excellent writer, they can become excellent social media platform because they don't
right,
speak, but they have written, they have done so many things. That's
right, right,
absolutely
right.
fine.
So,
Is
right. So, sir, how would you appreciate someone, like, if they would want to go ahead that, how would you start that conversation when you want to appreciate somebody?
hey, we can see that, we can tell them person, yeah, yeah, I think you are so focused, I think I can see that you're not raising your hand, I saw that and noticed you did not ask so many questions. I'm sure you're a good what we call listener. You have a very sharp listening skills, and you make sure you make notes of everything compared to others. So
Absolutely.
that is such what I would want to appreciate this. I'm sure silently you would like to work on this particular things, and this is very rare
Right.
to say this. This is
Right.
absolute right to say this, because
Right.
it,
Right. Right.
see, 100% focus dena, it's not that easy for us, because I can see
Correct.
you can give it. So this is
Correct.
something,
Correct.
2 or 3 points you can say that the person will love it.
Correct. Correct. Quickly, I'll just take the last two questions. There are a lot of questions that are coming in. Because of we're short on time, I'll just take two more questions, sir.
Please go ahead.
One question that is there is, how would you handle a situation if you want to decline an invitation for a social gathering or a function?
Hmm. Okay. Now, social gathering functions. See, I don't know how genuine you're going to, how pure you're going to sound over the call, and you can say. See, there are two things. Either you just have to tell people like exactly. There are few things which we have a plan already. We have to go some other places. If you want to decline this, and if you want to go to your own relative places which is nearby which you have never met, or you can say, see, there is only one thing you can say. There is a people, someone is unwell, something which has happened, or which is recently we would not be able to go and meet somebody out, and this is something what you can say. Or maybe you want to go to some relative places, or at this point maybe some other time or other date, or you can give the person other options. You cannot decline straight away, or give the options. Can we do it and some other time? Actually, we have some urgent work or something to discuss on the property front. Actually, it's been so long we have not done that. You can give them various reasons to avoid this. Relative, one is the relative, what you can say this, or something, this is not the right time to move on, because there is something which we have to cover it up, because it's been long time, things were pending which we have to cover it up, because see, we have lot of reasons to give it.
Right.
They will understand, because उसको भी बताओ, उसको भी इतने situations पे रखो, आपको भी पता है कि इतने time से बंद था, or nothing was working, and things were pending since so long. I want to finish this off. I don't want to miss these things, and I'm sure. See, meeting of course is gonna happen for sure. ऐसा नहीं कि हम मिलेंगे नहीं दोबारा.
Correct.
Just कुछ दिन की बात है, कुछ पल की बात है, and I'm definitely will meet again for sure.
Right. Right.
Politely.
Absolutely. And just one last question is, some tips on productivity during daily life.
To-do list. To-do list. What is see, that is start with why they see what happened, right? Productivity is, if someone is working right now, productivity, first of all, they have to plan the first hour in the office. If they're in office, if they're at home, they have to make a to-do list away from notifications. Whatever the notification is coming, which is not mandatory, ignore. They have to ignore notifications, because most of the time they spend time or unnecessary things which is on social media, because that is such important to know that what is going on in others life. Do not enter. ये आपका वक्त है, and this is your time, this is your productivity, and you have to get constructive. And if you want to be constructive, so start, go brick by brick without any interruptions. So there is no notification. Simple as that.
Yes.
You have to switch it off all the notifications. Just give me an hour's time. Hour's time. I want to make my plan day.
Right. Right.
You want
Right.
to go for this? Okay, let's go. Like once you have a lunch, let's go for a walk. Do it.
Right.
You want to talk? Talk. You want to
Right.
go notification? You will be
Right.
productive. And remember, please do not set any unrealistic goal
Absolutely.
which is out of your reach hand. Do not do that. And एक चीज और शेयर करना चाहूंगा मैम, अगर आपको पता है कि इस काम में मुझे हेल्प लगेगी, प्लीज आस्क इट.
Right.
अपने सर पे मत लेना, वो
Correct.
प्रोडक्टिविटी तेरा हैम्पर करेगा. तुमको
Correct.
पता है unnecessary you have taken, you have taken extra, don't take it. If you know this is gonna be difficult, ask for help and delegate it. I'm sharing with this is a very important secret now. Share it. Share it. There is no issues. People are looking for help. Ask तो करके को पूछ के तो देखो, ये टिकट काम आएगा बहुत.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Maher sir. We still have a lot of questions, and I'm sure we will be having more such sessions in the future to for all our audience that are here today. And I would definitely like to thank for all your time. I would like to now invite Harish sir to please, share his views on the session today.
Okay, thank you so much for my side as well. To everybody, to you, to everyone. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much for giving me such
Thank
wonderful.
you for your lot, experiences and insights. So,
Thanks.
Harish sir.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you very much, Mr. Mahesh Naik ji,
Thank you, Harish.
Malik ji,
Thank you. Thank you.
uh, for giving such a wonderful talk on social etiquettes, eating etiquettes, telephonic etiquettes. They were so wonderful and so, I think, useful for all the students in the present era. Because nowadays, what happens, we don't bother about some small and silly things,
Exactly.
which plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, and it develops an impression over the others. So I think your tips, whatever you have given on different kind of etiquettes, is going to benefit all our students and those who are listening. Not only students, I feel many times we'll miss all these kind of etiquettes even when we grow. We become 40
Exactly.
years, 50 years old, still we
Absolutely.
miss.
Yes.
So I think your lecture is going to benefit all of them, those who have listened to you today, and we expect the similar kind of association in future too with you. And on behalf of BK Birla College Management, our director Dr. Naresh Chandra sir, our principal Dr. Avinash Patil sir, all the teachers and students, I express my gratitude to you, sir,
Thank you, sir.
for sparing your wonderful time, your valuable time, and I'm also thankful to the Nest Academy, in particular,
Yes,
Mr.
absolutely.
Balkishan Sharma ji, Sneha Asar ji, then Vipul Solanki ji, everybody who made this today's event successful. And we look forward for this similar kind of association
Sure.
in future too.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you, Vipul sir. Thank you, Sneha ma'am. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Narissa. Thanks, everybody or single person who is associated to it to have a successful webinar for this. Everybody.
Thank you. Thank
Thanks.
you so much, sir.
Thanks so
Thank you
much.
so much, sir.
Cheers.
Yeah, yeah. Uh, Naresh sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh, Hello. So we
Hello.
have Naresh sir with us.
No, he is not. He has conveyed his feelings, and that is why he asked me to convey on his behalf.
All right, all right, all right, sir. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, sir, for giving us this platform to conduct these sessions for the
You
students.
are most
And
welcome, ma'am.
thank you for your support as always, Avinash sir, Naresh Chandra sir, and your support, and Smita ma'am, and the entire team, and the organizing committee of Mission Skills. I would just like to make an announcement that we will be having more such sessions every day from Monday to Friday, at Monday to Saturday 11 a.m. Saturdays we'll be having two sessions. We'll be also having a session in the evening at 5 p.m. We will be also, you can follow our social media handles, BK Birla College Kalyan on Facebook, and you can also follow Mission Skills on Facebook, Instagram. Before we sign off for today, I would just say that tomorrow we have a session on decision making skills at 11 a.m. And on, yeah, and we will be having a session on event management in the evening tomorrow at 5 p.m. Yes, and you can follow the social media handles to get to know more about the sessions tomorrow. If you haven't registered, please do register now. The link will be uploaded on the social media handles very soon. You can share that with your friends as well. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you to all the attendees for joining us for today's session.
Thank you very much,
Thank
everyone.
you.